after he gets out of custody. One of the very first things he's going to be doing after he gets out of custody, besides getting in contact with probation, is looking for work. Part of why he's going to River Falls is because that's a larger town, so he will have better access to public transportation, the ability to get around so that he can get back to work and can get his life back together. He's taking accountability for his actions here today. He's willing and ready to move forward. I think this agreement protects the community. I think it's appropriate given the nature of the offenses here, and I believe that Mr. Java going on probation will address his rehabilitative needs. For those reasons, I would ask the court to follow the agreement. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Java, do you care to make a statement here today? You don't have to, but it's your only opportunity to let me know anything you want me to know about these two cases, the underlying facts, what's going on, anything that you think would be helpful.
I guess at the time that happened, I was kind of going through a lot, and I don't want to use it as an excuse, but I lost a friend at the time, and it hurt, and I didn't handle it very well. So,
lost a friend as in they passed away?
Yep.
I'm very sorry.
Yep. They got in a motorcycle accident, and it really hit home. And that's kind of why I spun out of control there. So. Well,
I appreciate that, Mr. Java, because I was going to say it does appear that something was going on around that time. Granted, you've had an OWI before, but it was ways before these two. And to get one right after another, something has to.
Yeah, I wasn't doing very good. I've moved past that. I mean, obviously, I'm still sad that my friend's gone and whatnot, but everything is kind of straightening out and trying to move forward.
All right, I do appreciate that. When a court looks at sentencing, first I have to look at how serious are the offenses. Then I have to look at the defendant, any needs for rehabilitation, your age, factors such as losing your friend and having to go through that trauma. And I also have to look at needing to protect the public. When we're looking at OWIs, we all know they're very serious. I don't know what happened to your friend. I'm pretty sure I probably know who it was, but I don't know the underlying facts or if alcohol was involved. But you know that drinking alcoholic beverages and driving while under the influence and being intoxicated puts everybody at risk. You could have lost your life. Somebody else could have lost their life or been seriously impaired or critically injured. They are very serious. And then one right after another aggravates it. It indicates that there was something going on. You needed some help, some services, and you needed to address some issues. So it does look like you have some rehabilitative needs, perhaps some AODA and some counseling with that, and counseling emotionally with what you are going through with the loss of your friend. You're never going to get over it. It's not something you get over. You just learn how to live with it and move forward and remember the good times, even though it hurts to think of the loss of your friend. So I do think probation would be appropriate, especially in this type of case. Needing to protect the public is kind of with the whole serious crime, because OWIs are serious and the court needs to look at protecting the public to ensure that not only are you learning from this and you won't do it again, but others are learning from this and they won't do it as well, and that the public is safe. In looking at these cases, I do think the recommendation is appropriate.